Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great, and I'm also doing fantastic by the blessings of Almighty Allah. So, before starting the video, I want to say you something that I'm not making videos for a few days. So, I am very sorry for that. There were some reasons. This is why I wasn't able to make videos. So, I'm so sorry for that. So, without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. So, today's video is about three words, the difference among three words: there, and there. You can see these three words are same, almost same. The pronunciation of these three words are same, but the spelling, the meaning, and the use of these three words are different. So let's understand when to use these three words. So first one, T-H-E-R-E, there. So we have to use this word if we are referring or if we are talking about any place, okay, or position. We have that for that time we have to use T-H-E-R-E, there. For example, the books are over there. Where are the books? There. Okay, so this is first one. Let's move on to the second one. T-H-E-I-R, there. This is also the pronunciation of this word is also same, but the use and the meaning is different. So when we talk about something belongs to someone, okay, when we talk about something belongs to someone, that time we have to use T-H-E-I-R, there. For example, their house is very beautiful. So for this sentence, the house belongs to them, right? So for this case, we have to use T-H-E-I-R, there. Let's move on to the third one. T-H-E-Y, they, and apostrophe R. Actually, this is the contraction of they and are. For example, they are going to the market. They're playing in the park. You can say they are, but if you want to use it shortly, you can write T-H-E-Y, they, and apostrophe R, there. So yes, I have explained all these three words and their uses. Hope you understand, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm always here, and if you have any doubts, ask me, okay? And these are the difference among these three words. Always remember, when you are talking about any place, use T-H-E-R-E, there. When you are talking about something belongs to someone, use T-H-E-I-R, there. And when you are talking about they are, use T-H-E-Y, they, and apostrophe R, there. Okay, so see you in my next video. Hope you understand the video, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.